String literals can span multiple lines. One way is using triple quotes, triple single quotes, or triple double quotes. End of lines are automatically included in the string, but it is possible to prevent this by adding a backslash at the end of the line. Let's take an example. Display this usage message and host name to connect to, and the output was produced in 3 lines. Strings can be concatenated with the plus sign operator and repeated with multiplication operator or asterisk. In this example, we used the multiplication sign to print the string, which is called un 3 times, and then we added it to the string called ium once using the plus sign. 2 or more string literals next to each other are automatically concatenated. Here, these strings are concatenated because they are side by side and there are no separators or signs between them. They were combined automatically, and they formed one string called Python. This is really cool. This feature is particularly useful when you want to break long strings. We have a variable here called text, and its value is 2 strings. Each string is in a separated line, and they are inside the same brackets. If you look at the final result by writing the variable name and pressing the enter button, you will find that these strings created one big string in one line. They were concatenated automatically. This is so amazing. This only works with 2 literals, though not with variables or expressions. If you want to use this feature between a variable and a string, you will get a syntax error. Let's see this. In this example, we have created a new variable called prefix, and the value of this variable is string data type, which is pi. And then when we want to use this variable called prefix with string without anything between them, we got a syntax error because you cannot do that. This only works with 2 literals, though not with variables and expressions.